You need to learn how to throw punches in bunches if you plan to compete as a boxer. Sure, the first thing you need to focus on when you start boxing training is the main punches: the jab, cross, lead hook, rear hook, left uppercut, and right uppercut. But that's typically not enough to win fights. Boxers who tend to throw only one punch at a time often find themselves on the losing side of decisions, or worse, getting knocked out. Throwing single punches won't bother a trained boxer much, and it makes it easier to counter your attacks. When you put punches together, the odds of a few landing increases significantly, since your opponent is forced to deal with attacks coming from all directions and angles. Ready to take your boxing game to the next level? Boxing combinations you should master. 1. Jab, cross. 1, 2. Combo. This is one of the first combinations most boxers learn, and it's one of the easiest to master. Despite its simplicity, it is an effective weapon at any level of boxing. Even legends like Floyd Mayweather and Manny Pacquiao use the 1-2 combo many times during their fights. There are varying ways to use this combination. Some boxers use the jab to gauge distance before following up with a hard cross, while others use it to force their opponents to open up their guard so they can land a cross. Beginners should stick to throwing the combination as fast as possible to keep things simple. You can start playing with the speed of the jab once the combination is second nature to you. For example, you throw a jab at 50% speed, then follow up with a cross thrown at full speed. That can lull your opponent into making a mistake, since they expect any follow-up shot to come at the same speed as the jab. 2. Jab, jab, cross. 1-1-2 combo. The 1-2 combo is one of the most effective combinations in boxing, but it can be taken to the next level by adding a second jab before the cross. A lot of boxers tend to get lazy with their jabs after they've landed one. This combo will help keep you honest and ensure that your jabs are thrown with bad intentions. It also makes it harder for your opponent to time your punches, since they don't know if you'll throw 1 or 2 jabs before following up with the cross. As with the 1-2 combo, beginners should first focus on throwing this combination as fast as possible. Once you have it down, you can start playing around with the speed of the jabs. 3. Jab, cross, left hook. 1, 2, 3 combo. This is one of the most commonly used combinations in boxing. The 1-2-3 combo forces your opponent to respect all 3 punches, making it harder for them to mount an effective counterattack. The key to effectively throwing this combination is to ensure you don't telegraph the left hook. Keep your technique clean as you deliver the hook to your opponent's head. Beginners can start by throwing the jab and cross at full speed, then following up with a 50% speed left hook. As you get more comfortable with the combination, you can start increasing the speed of the left hook. 4. Lead uppercut, cross, 5-2 combo. The lead uppercut is a powerful punch that can score knockouts or back your opponent up against the ropes. It's a great punch to throw after you've landed a few jabs to force your opponent to lower their guard. Beginners should focus on throwing the lead uppercut without telegraphing their intent while keeping their chin down. A lead uppercut can leave you vulnerable to a counter, so you must throw it at the right time. 5. Lead uppercut, cross, left hook, 5-2-3 combo. This is a variation of the previous combination that adds a left hook to the end of it. The left hook is a great punch to throw after the uppercut, because it will cause your opponent to shift their guard to protect their chin instinctively. The left hook should be thrown with intent, since this combination leaves the right side of your opponent open. Be ready to duck or slip past any counters that might come your way. Beginners should focus on throwing the lead uppercut at full speed, while the cross is thrown a bit slower to allow your opponent to block or slip past it. Ideally, you want your opponent to slip past the cross, since that leaves them open for the left hook coming after it. 6. Jab, right hook, 1-4 combo. The jab, right hook combo is a great way to score knockouts. The key to effectively throwing this combination is to rotate your hips as you throw the right hook. This will help transfer the power from your legs through your body and into your fist. Beginners should focus on throwing the jab at full speed while keeping their chin down and back straight. They can follow up with a right hook also thrown at full speed. As you get more comfortable with the combination, you can start playing with the speed of the right hook. 7. Cross, left hook, 2-3 combo. The cross, left hook combo is a great way to score knockouts. It's a simple combination like the 1-2, but it lands with much more power. The key to effectively throwing this combination is to make sure you rotate your hips as you throw the left hook, so it lands with full power. This will help transfer the power from your legs through your body and into your fist. The cross doesn't need to be thrown full speed since you ideally want your opponent to slip into the hook. 8. Cross, left hook, cross, 2-3-2 combo. The cross, left hook, cross combo is a great way to land powerful punches. It's similar to the 1-2-3 combo, but much harder to block because it comes at you from different angles. The key to effectively throwing this combination is to make sure you rotate your hips as you throw the last two punches to increase the power they land with. This will help transfer the power from your legs through your body and into your fists. Mix up the speed of your punches to make this combination harder to deflect and be ready to duck under any counters that come your way.